A goods train carrying 450,000 liters of diesel from Mozambique was involved in an accident at Mpopoma station in Bulawayo early Saturday morning in what officials have described as a runaway incident. Sanamina mashobdanyo the diesel laden train derails in Bulawayo. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timam Namobdan Komzinzi. Bulawayo Chief Fire Officer Langano Moyo confirmed the mishap, explaining that the locomotive had been plugged after running out of fuel. However, the brakes reportedly failed during the night, causing the train to roll downhill and collide with a stationary locomotive at the Mpopoma diesel shed. The train ran out of fuel and was left parked overnight. Unfortunately, it gained momentum after the brakes lost power. It went straight into another parked locomotive, resulting in the accident, said Moyo. He added that emergency crews were at the scene to prevent the potential fire disaster by draining the main fuel from the tankers and separating the damaged locomotives. We are decanting the fuel and pushing the locomotives apart. The process is ongoing and will take some time. The locomotive was pulling about 450,000 liters of diesel, Moyo added. No injuries were reported, though investigations are underway to establish the full cause of the incident. The accident has once again highlighted the deteriorating state of Zimbabwe's rail infrastructure, which has suffered years of neglect, underfunding, and vandalism. The National Railways of Zimbabwe (NRZ), once a key player in the region's sea freight network, now operates with a severely depleted fleet and outdated equipment. NRZ's network spans about 2.760 kilometers, but less than 10% of its locomotives and wagons are currently serviceable. According to industry estimates, many trains rely on aging engines and braking systems dating back to the 1960s and 1970s, making them vulnerable to mechanical failures such as the one reported in Bulawayo. Ndo mashoko aripo muri yeZimbabwe. Mbudze mafukuru enyu pamusoro pechitiko ichi tsaona inotoshamisa chaiyo chaiyo. Pane comment section medu mafukuru enyu. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.